All right, guys, welcome back. So today we're looking at TSLA. So market is about to close in 1-2 minutes or so. So today we had Tesla hit pretty much its all-time highs of $488 levels. Yes, last time I talked about this one, we were talking about this stock potentially hitting $500 levels somewhere around here, I believe, or somewhere around here Sunday last week. And we almost did very good job of pushing higher, staying pretty resilient up until today, where a lot of people were basically waiting for the Fed, which, yeah, they did cut the rates, but a lot of people are not happy about the projected rate cuts for the next year and the following year, so 2025, 2026. So looks like Fed is going to pause from here now, and you can keep an eye on that one yourself. Go pull up Fed Watch tool, and if you want to take a look at the dot plot that was released today, where pretty much market is expecting only two rate cuts for 2025 and two rate cuts for 2022. So go to Fed Watch tool and keep an eye on for the next FOMC meeting, which is going to be 29th of January 2025. So, and then we have March. So probably they will cut once in March and then maybe once in July or something like that. But looks like next you can just keep an eye on it yourself. Okay. So is the party canceled now? Is this it? This is it. Looks like it to me, because I'm gonna be watching from here now. Tesla itself alone, I mean, from basically the chart perspective, it's been running away and it was coming, and I was maybe 2 days early. I thought maybe it would squeeze up until Friday and hit, almost notch that $500 level and maybe 505, and then have a flushing 10% move, but everything caught that move today, and VIX was flying to, oh wow, VIX closed at 24. Well, the reason why I keep an eye also on the put to call ratio for SPX, when people don't have hedge as to the downside, and they're very heavily concentrated to the upside, you see the put to call ratio low. And this is SPX put to call ratio, which is your VIX. And it was pretty low, okay? There's not that many people were buying puts, and pretty much a lot of people were into calls. And that's why people rush into VIX, okay? And yes, to be fair, SPY is down 3% in a single day. It is a large move. Probably the largest move so far. When we had probably since the August move right here, where we had pretty good crazy move down below 50-day moving average. But SPY closed today below 50-day moving average, and it didn't even try to bounce off the 50-day moving average. So I'm going to be watching TSLA sideways to the downside now. My levels usually when it comes to, okay, I have to clean it up. I was watching many levels on a intraday hourly basis, so I have to clean it up. So far it looks like it bounced off of 430. Below 430 I would be watching 410, and then 400 is your psychological level. This level of where it closed today, almost 450-ish, 447, that's your 50-day moving average. And if Tesla even comes down to, say, these 200-day moving averages, which is 383, I will not be surprised, especially if market overall comes down as well. I'm seeing right now Micron report, which is not good for chip makers. I was waiting for chip makers to report. I mean, the Micron to be a hint going forward for the chip makers. Okay, so this is not looking good. I'm gonna have to take a look at the earnings report, but this is what I'm watching for Tesla. I know everybody was getting overly bullish on the name, and I was bullish up until $500, but I was usually covering this name once a week on Friday, Saturday, but well, today I'm covering it because I think this could be it for this year for the stock. And that's the video for the TSLA. We'll definitely update it maybe Friday or Saturday after market close. But so far, yeah, it does look like to me that party is over. Dollar is flying as well if you take a look at it. So as long as those macro like bonds keep dropping and dollar keeps flying, I mean, I don't see any reason why S&P 500 should have a rally into the close and the Tesla follow. So that's the video. That's the update. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Take care. Peace.